You go after more vacant homes. You know, being remote takes away your ability to do one of my favorite things, which is driving for dollars. I love driving for dollars. And I'll tell you, even more than that, I love driving for dollars on pre-foreclosures, because the real gold in a pre-foreclosure list are the houses people have already moved out of. Because if that thing's going to auction and they've already moved out of it, they have emotionally disconnected from that house. They don't want to keep it anymore. They've decided to move on with their life. So your job at that point is to track them down and say, "Hey, Mr. Seller, I noticed your house over at 123 Oak Street. It's vacant. I mean, were you wanting to sell?" I mean, you just ask some kind of leading question to get them to tell you things. I noticed your house over here. It's vacant. Were you wanting to sell it? What were you wanting to do? And most of the time they'll say, "Oh, the bank already owns it. It's going to auction, whatever." And you go, "Oh, okay. Well, listen, I'm interested in it. If I would pay you, I mean, you don't want it. You moved. Oh yeah, well, the bank's going to get it. Okay. Well, if I paid you $500, would you be willing to do some paperwork with me? I'd like to try to buy it." And if you can find these people, they don't care. They'll give you the house most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a really good thing. Yeah, we love vacant houses. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.